Making everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we'd love to share it. Here's what they had to say. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities, and as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.